So here is a Family Link app from Google. This app is helpful for managing family groups via Google account. It can be helpful for apps like Fitbit and all of that. So yeah, you can just go to Family Link app, and then yeah, you can let's just try it out if it's available. Keep your family safe online. Family Link app provides tools that respect families' individual choices with technology, helping them create healthy, positive digital habits. And then you can just tap sign in, and then from here you can just download this Google Family Link app. And then you can just open it up. So this is the app itself. You can just obviously search it in App Store. I'm using iOS iPhone. And then, does your child have a Google account? They will need an account and a Gmail account in order to set up supervision. And then you can just create a Google account for your child. So from here you can just create an account for your child. And then you can just get your child's device. And then yeah, on your child device you need to do these things. Just open settings, go to Google, then parental controls, and then just set it up, parental controls, and then you will just add it in the Family Link. So that's the process how you get started.